If the earth was flat, you would be able to see Mount Everest. You guys have no idea how many times I've gotten this comment. Look at how many likes it has. 394 people thought that was a good comment to make. These people are at Lake Titicaca in Peru. They're using this high-powered telescope to view a mountain that's only 68 miles away, and they can barely see it. And they chose this location because it has the lowest levels of humidity and atmospheric distortion. What would give you the idea that you can see Mount Everest from anywhere in the world? They can barely see this mountain 68 miles away. What it is you guys look at the moon through a telescope and you can see it in pretty good detail, and your understanding is that the moon is 238,000 miles away. Newsflash, the moon is not 238,000 miles away. These things you see in the sky when looking through a telescope are much closer than you were told. That is the only reason you can see them. A telescope is not some magical device that will allow you to see things that are 20 light years away. That is all fairy tale. Pull out a camera from Best Buy, point it at the moon, zoom in, and you will see it with the same detail as an expensive telescope. You see, things get smaller as they get further away from you until they reach the vanishing point and disappear. After it disappears, you can't see it with the human eye. So you bring out some binoculars. Now you can see it again. Then it reaches the vanishing point of the binoculars. Then you pull out a telescope, and now you can see it again. And then it reaches the vanishing point of the telescope. Then you will not be able to see it again. I don't care what kind of telescope you use, what kind of high-powered lens it has. At some point, it is going to begin to look like this. People believe that because you can't see it, it's over the curve. The simple fact that you can see Kauai from Oahu proves that there is no curve, okay? The tallest mountains here are 4,000 feet high. This is 86 miles away. The viewer is standing at approximately 195 feet above sea level. Click the video link in the caption to see how I came up with that number. But based on that number, there should be over 3,000 feet of curvature blocking your view of the island in the distance. But you can see the tallest peaks and the smallest peaks alike. This is clear evidence that there is no curve, at least at a distance of 86 miles, which there should indeed be if the globe is indeed 24,901 miles in circumference, okay? And I'm showing you that that isn't the case. I don't know why you can't see Polaris from Australia. I don't know why you can't see the Southern Cross from North America. I don't know how lunar eclipses occur. Obviously, I did not create this place. I'm just showing you that it is not what you've been told it is, okay? If it's not 24,901 miles in circumference, everything else about it falls apart. There has to be some reasoning beyond your understanding behind the phenomenon that would suggest that you live on a globe. The globe has been debunked.